Gujarat is fast emerging as India's cultural conservatory, where the past is not just preserved but powerfully reimagined. Driving this transformation are ambitious museum projects that redefine how we remember, restore, and relive history. Perched atop Bhujiyo Dungar, Smriti Van in Bhuj stands as a tribute not only to the over 13,800 lives lost in the 2001 Gujarat earthquake, but also to the region's unshakable resilience. During his visit to Bhuj, Gujarat, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh visited the Smriti Van Earthquake Memorial Museum, calling it a tribute to the victims of the 2001 earthquake and a symbol of the people's resilience. He praised PM Modi's vision and emotional bond with Kutch, crediting him for preserving the region's collective memory through Smriti Van.
मैं सचमुच प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने इसके निर्माण की प्रेरणा दी ताकि हर भारतवासी को गुजरात के लोगों की प्रबल इच्छा शक्ति के दर्शन हो सके.
Another significant project, the National Maritime Heritage Complex in Lothal, is taking shape as a monumental tribute to India's 5,000-year-old maritime legacy. Located at the site of the world's oldest known dockyard from the Indus Valley civilization, the complex will showcase the country's oceanic history, from Harappan trade routes to modern shipping corridors. Spread across 400 acres, it forms a key pillar of India's cultural diplomacy and soft power push. The project recently drew a visit from External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, underscoring its national and strategic significance.
ये जो प्रोजेक्ट बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है, ये हमारे विरासत, हमारे इतिहास, हमारी संस्कृति का एक प्रकट है और ये भी आगे का भविष्य, क्योंकि हम जो हैं हम मैरीटाइम पावर कहलाते हैं और आप देख रहे हैं कि आजकल हमारे यहाँ सागर और अब महासागर की नीति भी अपना रहे हैं. हमारे विदेश नीति का एक वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण स्तंभ है.
Moving forward, Vadnagar's new Archaeological Experiential Museum, inaugurated in January, offers a dynamic journey through 2,500 years of history, showcasing over 5,000 artifacts across interactive galleries and a rare live excavation site visible from a viewing bridge. The ancient town's layered heritage, Buddhist monasteries and Hindu temples have been brought to life through modern storytelling and technology, making Vadnagar a vibrant center for heritage tourism and cultural education.
ये विरासत तो आपको बता रहे हैं, साथ में लोगों को विकास भी नज़र आ रहा है उन सब चीज़ों को लेकर. इसी के साथ में टूरिज्म में भी काफ़ी सारे जो डेवलपमेंट के प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, बट डेवलपमेंट के साथ में कॉन्जर्वेशन भी उनका मेन पर्पस जो है कि कॉन्जर्व करें, पुरानी जो वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं उनको रेस्टोर करें.
Gujarat's new age museums are not just architectural landmarks, they are living classrooms, silent storytellers, and intergenerational bridges. In preserving the past, the state isn't merely looking back, it's showing India the way forward.